Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful blingy butterfly. First of all, I'm going to apply Vintage Rose gel polish. I'm going to do 2 coats. Make sure to cap the free edge. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. And cure 30 seconds. So now I'm going to use Serious Black with detailing brush 002 to do the wings of the butterfly. I'm gonna do a pointy wings and do the other one. For the last wing, I'm gonna point a little bit like I did for the first one. I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to use Clear Deer Acrygel to stick all the bling. Dip your brush into gel residue wipe-off solution and press the product. Place the big stone first and add a small one in the second place. Make sure to press the stone into the Acrygel so it will stick better and stay a few weeks. Take your time when you place the stone, and when you're happy with the result, cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna use the Glitz and Glam gel polish from the glitter collection to fill the gap with the detailing brush. Outline the butterfly's antenna as well. Cure that for 30 seconds, please. Now I'm gonna top coat with the Urban Graffiti top coat gel polish to seal the design and to cap all the glitter together. Now I'm gonna add some cuticle oil and massage it. Here is the finishing design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video will be in the description box down below. Until next time, au revoir!